Hey streamers, ever wish your stream could run itself a little bit smoothly? Let's talk about a tool that I can't stream without. Mix It Up. Mix It Up, it's a powerful, free streaming bot, packed with features to automate your stream, create fun interaction, and honestly, makes your life easier. It runs on your PC and connects to your streaming accounts, now covering Twitch, YouTube, and Trovo. No web dashboard or monthly fees. You install it once, and you're in full control. I'm also proud to be part of the Mix It Up Ambassador Class 2024. So, in this series of videos and tutorials, I'll be showing you how to get the most out of it. Here's what you can do with Mix It Up. Make your own custom commands, set up timers to automate reminders, trigger overlays in OBS or play sound effects, create advanced channel points rewards, even connect with webhooks and other tools, if you're into that. But don't worry, you don't need to know coding to use it. The UI is simple, visual, and super powerful when you get the hang of it. Everything is drag and drop, you can build from yourself or get inspiration from the community comments. It's perfect for beginners and streamer veterans. So whether you're looking to automate your shoutout or create chaos with redemption on OBS, Mix It Up has your back. In the next video, we'll install it together and set up your accounts. It takes less than 5 minutes. And if you have questions about Mix It Up or things that you'd like me to build, I'm going to leave you in the description the link for a Google form where you can drop every request. So get ready, because after these tutorials, you're gonna be a Mix It Up pro.